po natin sa likod. Pwede po ba tayo tumayo sandali lang po? Kakantahan lang po natin ang birthday song ng ating birthday celebrant. Ayan yung mga mami at tita natin sa likod. Ayan, please, clap your hands, everybody! Sing happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Ayan, kiss Bobby, Flo, ni Kenny, naman yung birthday, kaya kailangan mo na mag-wish ni Mommy and si Kenny. Mommy, wish. Nabiya si Mommy.
Pinagmanapala si Kenny.
Hiyain din. Kailangan may papel. Ayun si Mommy ko.
Birthday, Rap. Mabait ka.
Wow. Makashort. Ayan, sige, wait, Candy, ikaw. What's your birthday wish? Wish daw. Anong wish mo daw? Wish naman ni Candy.
Ayan, syempre kay neighbor, ganda na. Ayan.
Ganda ng pagkakawa ko sa
Big clap sa ating birthday celebrant po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Happy birthday, Candy. Everybody say happy birthday, Candy.
Happy birthday, Candy.
Oh, ayan. Ikaw, Jollibee. Meron ka bang birthday wishes for Candy? Nag-iisip si Jollibee. Kunwari, nag-iisip. Ilan yan, Jollibee? Bubuyo. Galing ka dito. Ikaw ka nag-iisip, Jollibee. Wow. How many birthday wishes do you have for Candy, Jollibee? You have? Let me see your fingers, Jollibee. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birthday wishes for Candy. Kids, ilang birthday wishes nga ulit?
4.
Ilang birthday wishes? 4 wishes. First birthday wish, si Candy. Sana ay batang lumaking maabot ang kanyang mga pangarap tulad ni Jollibee. Ikaarap pala si Jollibee. Ang pangarap mo, Jollibee? Ayaw, ikaw ang pangarap mo. Ah, wala. Nanakaisip ka na. Okay, second birthday wish. Si Candy, sana ay batang lumanging. Malayo ang tiin. Malayo ang marating. Ganda yan. Ikaw may narating ka na ba, Jollibee? Ano? Saan sa may tagig? Sa may tagig lang pala. Ay, may batak nga pala siya. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, third birthday wish. Si Candy, sana ay batang lumanging. Maganda, sexy, at syempre, napakalakas ang appeal. Tulad yan ni... Nakikinig ka naman, Jollibee. Okay, next birthday wish natin. Si Kenny, sana ay batang lumaging. Always be happy. Tulad syempre yan ni... Jollibee. At nating lahat, thank you, Jollibee, for your birthday wishes, kids. Talakpakan natin yan. And syempre, mag-open na po ng birthday gift si Candy. First birthday gift na bubuksan niya is from... Ayan, Candy, open your gift. Kailangan sirain mo yun na yan. Ayan. To Hyacinth, happy birthday from Maximus. Naganda na mga pangalan niyo, ano? Maximus, nasan ka na? Ayun, si Maxi. Max, thank you for your birthday gift. Ayan, sige, sirain mo na. Kasi nisira, mas marami pang bibigay na gift sa'yo.
Masaki mo na sa mga galit.
Masakit mo daw. Ano kayong laman yun? Galit kayo naman. Sige po. Ano sinabi ni Hyacinth? Ayan. Okay, so mag-change lang muna ang dress ni Candy. But before that, ayan, mag-party muna kayo together with Jolly.